Hey guys, in this video I want to make a really quick tutorial in showing you how to get to my Canvas site. All right, in my class we're going to use Canvas quite a bit. It's very useful. It's not only what I'm going to use to post content for the class but it's also going to be a way for you to turn in assignments. So it's really important for you guys to know how to get to it and how to use it. So first of all, even though this is titled Getting to My Canvas Site, I want to start off by covering actually what I don't want you to do. And I'm going over this because this is a common mistake. This is a common mistake that I see people making when they really when they go back to a habit and how to find something on a computer. All right. So what a lot of times happens is people think, well, we're using Canvas, and so what do I do whenever I need to find something on the internet? I Google it. All right. This is not the way to do it. So again, what I'm about to show you is not the way you're supposed to get Canvas, but in case you ever see this, you'll know that you've hit a dead end. If you were to go to Google and hit Canvas, login or Canvas application, we'll just do Canvas. All right, and you'll see something right here, and you see actually you even got the Canvas icon right there, and you can click on this screen and it'll bring you to something like this. All right. This will let you get into Canvas. The problem is that this Canvas is not linked to Wake County Public Schools. All right, each of you has an account with Canvas, and in order to get to that, you're going to get to it through your Wake ID portal. So again, what I'm about to show you now is the correct way to get to Canvas. Okay, so this is the Millbrook homepage, and you're going to go to the Wake ID portal. So for you, you would hit Students, Wake ID portal. All right, it's going to bring you to a screen like this. For you, you would hit Student. I'm going to do Staff. I'm going to do my normal login, and you're going to log in the same way that you normally do. And it's going to bring you to this set of tiles. And again, when you're here, the tiles are not going to be nearly as you're not going to have nearly as many. All right. So you're going to you'll see an icon there, just in the same way. This is the way you would get to your student email. This little tile right here is the icon that you're going to use for accessing Canvas. All right. So I'm going to notice that I have two of these. I'm not sure whether you have two of these or not. If there's a choice between blue or orange, you choose the blue Canvas option. All right, so we're going to click on that, and it's going to bring us to Canvas. And let me rearrange this. So you'll notice once you click on Canvas, it's going to bring you to what's called the dashboard. All right, and you can see here there's a bunch of tiles, and your tiles are going to look a little bit different than mine right here. Remember, these are from my perspective as a teacher. So I have a tile for all the different classes that I teach. I teach a chemistry class, and I also teach earth science. All right. When you do this, you're going to see a tile for all the different classes that you're taking. All right. So if you're in my chemistry class, you're going to click on the one that's for Mr. Allen's, chemistry class. If you are in earth science, you're going to click on earth science. All right. So I'm just going to do this for earth science. If you're taking chemistry, it's going to work basically the same way. All right, so I click on that, and you're going to notice that there's a lot of different what are called modules here. All right, I'm going to cut this video off here because this is what you need in order to access my site. In another video, I'll talk a little bit more about some of the specifics.